It's another hot summer day. Welcome back to the garden. I think these are ready to go. They look nice and dry. That's the one that's forming the little garlic bulb seed head, whatever it is. I thought it was one of these over here, but I guess I was wrong. Let's see what we got going on here. This is the only way really to tell if they're ready to come up, is you just gotta pull one up and see. And nice. Yeah. Let's start the process. I could use little tools, but I don't want to damage the bulbs, and to be honest with you, I'm a 50-some-year-old big kid who likes to play in dirt. Oh, you can smell the garlic. Nice bulbs, nice. These were not seeds, but I had ordered some garlic bulbs from some Canadian company a couple years ago, and I've been using the bulbs to keep my garlic going year round now. Those are gorgeous. Let's do one more and then I won't bore you with anything else. I'll continue doing it. Excuse me. And then I will come back. Oh, this one seems really big. Holy crap. There. No, well, it's good size. It's a good size. It just didn't want to come out of the ground. I will continue on with this, and then I will show you what I get afterwards. And I have to start tying them up and putting them away to dry for a few weeks. So that was fun. A little bit dirty, but I pulled up my garlic. 41 bulbs, significantly less than what I planted last year. Last year I planted, it was over 100, and it's too much. I like garlic, but I don't use it that much. So this time I went for like just around the 40, which would be more than enough bulbs for us throughout the winter season. I actually still have quite a bit of garlic from last year too, that some of it has gone. Some of it I can still save, and I think I'll more than likely just chop it into pieces and put it in some olive oil and either freeze it or, well, actually if it's olive oil I'll put it in the fridge. If I want to try and freeze it, I'll put it in some water and an ice cube tray, and then you have it for, like, you know, whenever you need some garlic for something. And then of course this guy broke when I don't pull them out. I lift them out from the bottom, but the stem, I guess, was just all brittle and whatever. So he's going to get used up quickly. But look at how beautiful they are. I know I call my produce beautiful a lot because I do think it is beautiful. I do my best to grow nice stuff for me and Juan, and I'm always impressed when I do. Because I fail sometimes. Well, I fail quite a bit, but I keep trying. But sometimes you look at the quality that you get in the grocery stores, and seriously, it's so disappointing. If you can grow your own, you should. But that's going to make a beautiful, who knows what is, I'll put it in whatever. Anyway, the next step here, oh yeah, it's also bloody hot if you can't tell. It's like bright and sunny out. It's, I don't know, mid-30s right now, I think. It should be water, but it's the weekend. I'm having ginger ale. Living large. So string, scissors, scratchy throat. Because I'm like my mother, we talk too much and our throats get dry. I guess it's a, what do they call that? Hereditary thing, I guess. So, gonna bundle them up. I already separated them into the little groups. I'll tie them up and then I'll let them dry somewhere where they can get some air. I haven't decided where yet this year. And then a few weeks, a month, they'll be ready to store. And I'll have some beautiful nice fresh garlic. Look at the size of those. It's amazing, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me and my garlic. We'll see you soon.